Family, friends, welcome back to the channel. I owe you guys an apology. What I mean by that is I really wanted to take you on the taxi ride. I went twice, tried to film it. Neither one really didn't want to be filmed, and I never want to force a camera in someone's face, so I apologize. But I really wanted to show you that cab ride. But if you ever want an adrenaline rush, take a cab ride in Tirana. The good news is, though, so he drops me off at the stadium, Air Albania. Remember, I did a video on Air Albania, but I couldn't get inside, right? So guess where I am right now? Made it inside the stadium. Air Albania. And I think they played their last game, I think it was Saturday for the season. And I can see him putting chairs away at the end. But, Sandy, cappuccino? You do come. So the lady told me, she goes, I wanted to walk around. She goes, you really can't do that. She goes, if you pull up a seat at the lounge, then yeah, go ahead and you can film, you can take pictures. So I just wanted to show you guys. And this is the big time. They take soccer, or I should say football, so serious. It is, and everyone knows that's big in Europe. But to say it's not big in Albania, boys, I don't understand it. But I want to show you guys inside the stadium. Showed you outside before. But as you can see, they're putting chairs away. But I'm thrilled made it inside. It is a beautiful arena. Over there, they already took down all the seats. Okay, near the end. So it looks like just those two, just the end at the bottom are seats that they can take away. I don't think they can take away the other seats. You can see a lady cleaning up over there. Okay. But things are going well. Again, I apologize about not getting the taxi ride. Showing that video. But to clean it up, beautiful stadium, beautiful day. It's going to be in the 80s. So I'm just going to sit here and get my cappuccino, and then I'm going to head on back home. Nice stadium, man. Let me just clean it up. I forget who it was. I don't know if it was John. Told me they were having the championship game on Saturday, last Saturday. Today's Monday. I think it was John. But I appreciate you guys. On a beautiful day on a Monday. I hope you're all doing well. I feel terrible for my fellow Texans. Besides the flooding, they had a wicked set of tornadoes went through northern Texas. So I hope you guys are okay. My daughter's okay. My wife's going to call her sister, who was just north of where we used to live. But I feel bad for Texas, man. Prayers go out to you guys. All right, guys. Remember, I love you guys. I wanted to show you inside the stadium. Sorry about not getting that taxi ride. Love you guys. Bye-bye.